Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a glass hole light effect in Photoshop. Create a new document of these dimensions. Select the rectangle tool and draw a long bar rectangle. Apply the gradient to it. Use these settings. Press Ctrl+J for layer via copy of it. Press Ctrl+T, drag and place next to it. Then press Alt+Ctrl+Shift+T for duplicate. Hold the Shift button to select all. Press Ctrl+T and adjust them. Then go to the File menu and Save As. Set the name and click on the Save button. Select and delete them. Press Alt+Shift+Backspace to apply the black foreground color to it. Then go to the Ellipse tool and draw a circle. Change Fill to None, and Stroke of any opposite color. Set the stroke weight. Apply the Gaussian blur to it. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E to make a merge copy. Go to the Filter menu, and Filter Gallery. Select the glass, click on the Load Texture button. And select the previously saved file. Follow the settings. Adjust its size and position. Time to add text to this design. Follow my text settings. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.